Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to talk about malicious software. If we talk about malicious software, if we talk about malicious software, it means we talk about uh, software itself. Malicious software, which is created to do something bad and to perform criminal intention. This kind of software is called malicious software or malware. Malicious software can be divided into some categories. There are virus, worm, and Trojan. Have a look at the next slide. First is virus. Virus is a software that can replicate by injecting or injecting its own code into into other file. By its way to infect other file, virus can be divided into three categories. Type of computer virus that will copy its own code over the host computer system's file data, which destroys the original program. After your computer system has been cleaned using an antivirus program, users will need to install the original program again. Then, the second is pending. It's still a virus. A virus that insert a copy of its malicious code at the end of the file. The goal of an appending virus is not to harm the host program, but to modify it to hold the virus code and then be able to run itself. And that is prepending. Prepending is a virus defines the method it used of inventing files by adding the code to the beginning of the file. By doing this, these viruses ensure that they are activated when an infected file is used. And then worm. Worms. Worm is also kind of malicious software. It is different from virus, which is worm cannot inject or infect other files. Worm is a software which replicates by creating its own copy and without infecting other files. Worm actually spread through a network or the internet using email. Below is a sample of worm called I love you. Worm I love you spread through the internet as an email attachment. Jadi dulu sekitar tahun 2004-an mungkin ya, ada namanya ya worm ini. Jadi ketika worm komputer kita sudah terinfeksi virus worm ini, maka keluar tulisan I love you. Bahkan akan ada suara-suara yang ya mengiringi tulisan teks I love you. Ya, untuk lebih jelasnya gambarnya bisa kalian searching di Google ya, seperti apa contohnya. And then have a look next. Usually worm will do something tricky to cheat email receiver. The first is using double file extension. At the left sample, worm I love you use two extensions. Those are txt.gbs. The second trick is using social engineering. In the above sample, the worm used the name I love you, which might interest to every email receiver who does not need love. So the effect of this trick are anybody, the email receiver will click that attachment, which is actually a worm code. Ya, dulu saya pernah komputer saya mengalami seperti ini. Saya mendapat email, ada kata-kata tertulis, saya pikir dari siapa? Ya, siapa sih yang tidak tertarik dengan kata tulisan I love you seperti itu? Ternyata setelah diklik langsung berbunyi ada suara yang seperti di komputer dan layar pun tiba-tiba kayak seperti apa ya, hijau kalau nggak salah seperti hijau kemudian ada tulisan I love you seperti itu. And then last is Trojan horse. Trojan horse is derived from ancient Greek. Trojan horse is a program that looks like a good program, but actually contains destructive code or destructive feature. Trojan horse is different from virus and worm. Trojan horse cannot replicate and can infect other farms. There are many kinds of Trojan horse. Below are some of them: password stealer, remote monitoring, keylogger, remote administrator, etc., fake program, and also anonymous emailer. Itu. Nah, yang ini adalah apa namanya, bermacam macam jenis Trojan ya, Trojan horse seperti itu. Jadi worm, Trojan horse, virus itu berbeda dan punya karakter sendiri-sendiri. Nah, untuk lebih jelasnya, lebih pahamnya, maka kalian harus mengerjakan tugas yang berikutnya. Kalian harus menjawab tugas ini biar kalian bisa lebih paham apa itu virus, apa itu malicious software, dan apa itu worm, dan apa itu Trojan. Silakan answer these questions by recording your question. You also your question is you must answer this question orally. Kalian harus jawab jawaban pertanyaan ini secara oral, kemudian rekam di video, dan videonya di-upload di YouTube. Seperti biasa, setelah upload di YouTube, linknya di copy paste ke kolom tugas di MyBase. Okay, I think enough my explanation about malicious software, and I hope you will be understand, or you will be understood what I have explained in this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention to my video, and see you next meeting, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.